Good morning, YouTube. It's a lovely day outside. I'm currently at ORMS Photography School. Today they're hosting the Black and Orange Content Creator Workshop. I'm super excited to see what I can learn today, but I think the thing I'm mostly excited about is the fact that we will be able to use some exclusive Sony equipment. So yeah, come with me while I show you some behind the scenes of what's happening at this workshop.
100 grams.
To create some movement, or I'd even tie it around and create like a little accessory and play around with that.
So you notice that it's not static, it's movement, and she's interacting with the prop. And the nice thing about this is if you're shooting someone who's quite awkward in front of the camera as well, give them a prop. So let's say it is a family portrait or something. Maybe you've got, I don't know, you've got some flowers. For whatever reason, you've got flowers. A bride. What can you do? A fashion bride, though. I don't know how exciting a bride is. Okay. Let's suppose. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So you can test that theory out later if you guys want to play with the game. You want to shoot the beakers. It's really fun and it creates really amazing shots.
So today I was lucky enough to be able to use the Sony A1, which is the flagship camera. I got it coupled with the G Master 50mm 1.4. So yeah, I'm very excited to see the images that I will get.
Oh wow, look at that!
I haven't seen any of these. Oh, that's... I'm looking at that and be like, is that me?
Currently on my way to the car. I must say, I've enjoyed myself. Sony came through. I highly enjoyed the A1. So sadly, the event is done, it's over, and saddest part of all, I had to turn in my, not mine, but I had to turn in the A1, the Sony A1. Such an amazing camera, I must say. I don't think I can go back to my Canon RP like I said before. I don't know guys, but one thing I know, I learned a lot today. I learned a lot from the presenters and what they do and how I can do what I do better. The model that was on set, she was great, Tamika. And yeah, hopefully you guys will like this video. Let me know down in the comment box how I can do my vlogs better. I'm always open to some constructive criticism. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. And oh, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.